Hey dolls, it's me, Ashley Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I actually rhymed. Anyway, I am back with a makeup tutorial. I had a lot of you requesting that I get back to my makeup and hair tutorials, which I am going to do because I absolutely miss doing them. Please ignore the hair. I was trying to go for something and it just did not work out. Today's video is in partnership with Thrive Market. I have partnered with them before for my Get Relaxed With Me video. Thrive Market is an online marketplace where you can buy natural products, cruelty-free, non-GMO products. And by products, I also mean not only health and beauty, but you can also buy food as well. And because they cut out the middleman, they offer their items at 25 to 50% less than other competing marketplaces. On their website, you can filter things by whether you have a ketogenic diet, paleo diet, vegan, vegetarian. So they make it really easy for you to find what you're looking for. And when you click on a certain product's page, they'll give you a description as to why you'll love it, product price comparisons, and nutritional ingredients. On top of that, 70% of the items in their catalog you cannot find on Amazon, so you can only strictly find on Thrive Market. All packaging, boxes, and inserts are made from recycled paper, so there is zero waste. So Thrive Market, it is a subscription website. You'll get 25% off your first order and a 30-day free trial. So keep in mind that Thrive Market's prices are already 50% off, and now they're giving you an extra 25% off on top of that. So if you're looking for a healthy lifestyle, or you're looking to find so many things in one place, I'm talking supplements, food, beauty care products, cleaning products, skincare products, everything in one place, Thrive Market's the way to go. I will put their link in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. But now, using Thrive Market's natural beauty products, I am going to get started on this tutorial for you. So to get started, I'm going to first work on my under eyes before I apply my foundation, and for that I'm going to use the Mineral Fusion Duo Concealer. This is paraben free, never tested on animals, and I'm going to take a fair amount because, as you can see, I have some pretty bad circles. Now, I know this is a lot lighter than my actual skin, but once I put the foundation on, everything's gonna work out, so it'll be okay. Once I apply that, I'm just going to use a blending sponge. I know, it looks crazy right now, but it's going to get better. Next, for foundation, I'm going in with my Mineral Fusion Liquid Foundation. This is in the shade Olive 2, and it is a lightweight formula, but it does give full coverage. It contains rosehip oil, pomegranate, vitamin C, plus some collagen boosting peptides to help firm the skin. Now, I was nervous because I was not sure if I was going to get the right shade, but it actually did turn out to be pretty close, so I'm really happy with it. And it definitely is a lightweight formula, but it does give you that full coverage, which you will see right now. Now, the reason it actually matches me now is because I went on vacation and I got a tan. So as you can see, my face is a lot lighter than the rest of my body. So I do have to get foundation that's darker than my actual face, because then it's just going to look so awkward if I don't do that. And there you go, see? So it still gives me that nice little highlight since my concealer was a lot lighter than my skin tone. And then this is the other way. So yeah, not crazy, crazy. I did get some nice coverage with the foundation. As you can see, that's only the first time I went in there. I don't like tanning. I don't like doing any of that, but it was kind of, I guess, unavoidable. It's always kind of unavoidable when you go out on vacation, but I think this was the first time I actually tanned the most. Since we were invited on that trip, they had a lot of nice activities for us, and I just wanted to take advantage, and I didn't want to seem rude and not accept any of the stuff that they were providing, so I was just being polite about it. Now, to set this powder, I'm going to take my Mineral Hygienics Sheer Perfection Silk Translucent Powder. And this is just going to help give me that This is going to help give me that matte look that I'm looking for. This stuff is really, really, really lightweight. Very similar to the Laura Mercier translucent powder, except it's less expensive. I don't like to pack on translucent powder like crazy. I don't do that. I don't know, I can't do that. And then I'm going to set the rest by using just a powder brush. I bet it's weird seeing foundation actually match to me, isn't it? Because I think like 95% of the videos my foundation never matches my skin. I'm not very talented like other makeup artists. And I'm not going to place any on my eyelids because I'm going to use the foundation as a primer for the eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to do my eyebrows. I've done my eyebrows on here a million times, so I'm just going to cut out, do that off camera, and then come back and we will get started on the eyeshadow. So now that I have my eyebrows done, I'm feeling a lot better and looking a lot better. I'm going to get started with eyeshadow. I'm going in with my eyeshadow trio by Mineral Fusion, and this is Espresso Gold. So it comes with a more natural looking shade, a bronze shimmer shade, and then a darker brown shade. And I'm going to be using all of these for my look today. So I'm first going to get started with the lighter shade right here. And I probably should have plucked my eyebrows, but you know what? We're just gonna go with it. This is just going to help mattify that foundation and give a little bit of highlight towards my brow bone. Next, I'm going to go in with this more bronzy shade, and I'm going to go in with a denser, more flat brush. And I'm going to focus this shade on the inner corner and meet it up a little bit, about 3/4 of the way on my lid. Look how beautiful that shimmer is. Ugh, I'm dying. Such a pretty shade. Extremely pigmented. I love that. Look how beautiful that came out. It's like the right amount of shimmer. And I also want to say thank you guys so much for the support. I know I had been away for quite some time, as I mentioned on a caption in one of my previous videos. It's been a roller coaster this whole year, honestly. Since before my grandfather passed away, there was a lot of health issues going on with him, so I had a lot going on previously to that, and then when he passed away, I basically lost it. I didn't want to do anything. I didn't want to film videos. I had no motivation. I had no energy, and I knew it was going to affect my channel. I was fully aware of that, but I've always told you guys that YouTube is not my main source of income. I actually do have a career. I did this just for fun because I love doing it. I know now with the beauty community, it's a circus. You see all those YouTuber videos where people feel overwhelmed, they go through depression, they feel so unmotivated, like they get so much pressure from social media to upload constantly, and when their numbers start changing or they don't get as much engagement, it really affects them. And I always told myself that I never wanted to be like that. I never wanted engagement to be a factor in my mental health, and I feel like way too many people are clinging on to YouTube, clinging on to social acceptance to sort of validate themselves, and I've never done that. I have always gone against the masses. My style has always been very different. I've always had people look at me either weird or fascinated. So being socially accepted was never a big thing for me at all. I'm on YouTube and I create videos because it's fun for me. Sorry, I'm like ranting and stuff. Getting back to the makeup look, I am then going to take this darker shade and I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of my eye, meeting that up to the glitter shade that I just applied. Okay, so I just dabbed it in this eyeshadow and I'm barely patting it because it is extremely pigmented and I do not want it to go on harsh, so I'm just lightly working that in. And I'm just going to take this blending brush and just blend out any harsh lines. I love how easily blendable this eyeshadow is. Even with my eyebrow hairs kind of fucking everything up. So now I am going to go in with this flat shadow brush and I'm going to take this shimmery shade and apply it. We're going to mimic what we did at the top and do the same at the bottom. Actually, I'm gonna wipe off this excess powder because I've had it on there forever and I totally forgot about it. And then we're going to get the darker shade and apply that on the outer corner.
Baby?
Yeah, honey?
Can I bother you for a little bit?
Yeah, what happened?
Thank you, baby.
Welcome, honey.
You want a cup of wine?
Yes, please. That would be great. Thank you, honey. Boxed wine is my favorite because I'm classy. I'm going to avoid wearing eyeliner because I always do that. I feel like I always do that. So I'm just going to go straight in with my mascara because we're going to put on falsies. Now this is the Ultimate Volume Black Mascara. Look at that packaging. So cute. I didn't want to put eyeliner on today because I feel like I'm always doing the dramatic wings and I don't know. I'm trying to change things up. I may not put eyeliner on, but I am going to put dramatic lashes on. These lashes are my current faves. I'm going to link them down in the bottom, but they were only like $3. They're super inexpensive. You guys are going to love them. When I went on vacation, a lot of people were complimenting my lashes. Look how beautiful these are. They're super cheap compared to the $10.99 ones that you buy at Target or Sally's Beauty Supply. Gosh, I remember when eyelashes were $3. Gone are those days. Now I'm going to just finish up by applying some mascara on my lower lash line. Moving on to blush, I'm going to take my Mineral Hygienics Bliss Blush Foundation. Now this one, it looked a bit more red online, but we're going to see how it looks. It might blend in too much with my skin, but it does have some shimmer in it, so I think I'll at least get some shimmer out of it. Oh, okay. No, never mind. It does show up. So you can see the pink here, but it also has this gold kind of shimmer in it. So you don't even need to put highlight. This literally has the highlight in there for you. I was not expecting that. I honestly thought it was gonna blend into my skin. Moving on to lips, I'm going to do a more natural kind of shade, not my normal red lipstick, because I feel like you guys are getting tired of that. But once again, Mineral Fusion, and this is also from Thrive Market, and this is the shade Ripe. So this is more of a pink tone. This one is definitely closer to my lip shade. It just brings some nice, glossy, natural lip color back to my lips. So that's it for the makeup look. I'm going to hurry up and do something with my hair just so I can look more put together, and then I will be back. Honestly, you guys, what the heck is this? So I was trying to go for the Rihanna look where it's like all over her face. Yeah, one, I used a curling iron that was way too small. What is this? Now I'm stuck with these weird ends. But you know what? We're gonna make it work. Anyway, here is a close-up of the final makeup look. As you can see, my foundation matches my neck and the rest of me. Aren't you guys proud of me? I think I deserve a round of applause. So that is it for the makeup tutorial today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to click the link down below to check out Thrive Market. You can check out anything from food to beauty products to hair products. They have everything you can think of there. Organic, cruelty-free. Let me know what video you'd like to see next, and I will see you dolls soon. Bye, loves.